Okay, so with that, I show the assembly complete, and we're back on the timeline, and we're now in Robonaut system power-up.
And that is fantastic news. Thanks, Dan, for getting us back on track.
And for everybody watching, this is the first humanoid robot we've had aboard the International Space Station, in space, I guess, as well. First one we've ever had. And it's a Robonaut, or R2, and it's specifically designed to have all the same kinds of interfaces, or to be able to operate with all the interfaces that humans would use on board Space Station. And in the near term, we've got lots of checkout operations to make sure that everything is functioning and all the systems are good. Very sophisticated, fully articulated, many, many degrees of freedom in the fingers, the hands, the elbows, wrists, shoulders, waist, head, and neck as well, and allows a lot of different ways to command at this stage right now. And most of the commanding we do right now is through automated scripts using a dedicated program to do it. Down the road, we'll be able to command it via virtual reality, and I suppose down the road as well, there'll be some capability to do some artificial intelligence type operations with it, where it would have the computing capacity on board to basically operate in a more or less or a more semi-autonomous mode. The kinds of things we think about using Robonaut for is to basically offload the crews from doing some of the more routine tasks on Space Station. We've got a crew of 6 up here, and most of the time everybody's really, really busy doing all the science that we do. And having a 7th crew member to add to the complement of 6 is a wonderful thing. And ultimately, I think also it would be a fantastic tool to have as an additional EVA crew member, spacewalking crew member outside. And again, we've got a lot of work in the near term from a technology demonstration standpoint to get there, but this is a great first step.
And Dan, we are setting up for the next couple of scripts on the ground.
Okay, copy that.
And Dan, this is Huntsville. We are ready for you to proceed to step 12. And once you're ready, we'll start with 13.
Okay, 12 is complete, ready for 13.
And we copy.
Okay, step 13 looks good, and I can verify step 14.
And we copy and concur.
There is a handshake coming up in between Burbank and Robonaut, so we're hoping to get it while we're still on the air.
Station Huntsville on space to ground 1 for Dan and Robonaut. We are a go to proceed with step 4.3 at this time.
Here's 4.3, and you're ready as soon as with 4.3 complete and standing by on that, you're ready for 4.4?
That is affirmed. You are a go to proceed to the end of the program.
Okay, very good. The first humanoid handshake in space.
So man meets machine aboard the International Space Station as Expedition 30 Commander Dan Burbank reaches out and shakes the hand of Robonaut.
For the record, it was a firm handshake. Very nice. Nice job on the programming and all the engineering. Quite an impressive robot.
Thank you. Robonaut is listening in, and they appreciate the words.